Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Space. How are you? I hope you're well. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make this very nice drink, that can help us to detox our body, help to facilitate weight loss, and also helps to repair our body cells. We should always take very good and proper care of ourselves, and we will be glad that we did. This is Sonia Space. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, and keep watching. These are the list of ingredients that I used for this very nice detox drink: celery, green apples, ginger, lemon, and cucumber. First, I'm going to be cutting the apples. Apples are very good sources of nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, and they are antioxidants which can help to support healthy digestion and weight management. Cucumbers are good for hydration and detoxification, regulates blood pressure, good for digestion, reduces blood sugar, and also very helpful in weight loss management, as well as suits our eyes. Celery contains numerous vitamins and minerals. They have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that may support digestion. Celery helps to improve learning, thinking, and memory. Lemons contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant which helps to protect cells from damage. They also help to absorb iron and also support our immune system. Ginger helps us to cut down on fermentation, constipation, and other causes of bloating and intestinal gas. They also help us against wear and tear of our cells. They are antioxidants which also helps to manage the free radicals in our body. You can either choose to juice this ingredient as I did, or use a blender to blend them. But these items, when mixed together, act as a detox for our body. They also facilitate weight loss and also help to repair the wear and tears of our cells. This drink contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. You will not regret adding this delicious and wonderful juice to your daily diet. A lot of people have testified that this drink helped them to lose their desired amount of weight that they wanted to lose. So if you do the same, you will also achieve the same result. So once again, if you have not liked this video or subscribed to my channel, please do. Drink will help you to lose the desired amount of weight that you want to lose. This drink will help to flush out toxins from your body. This drink will help to repair the wear and tear of your cells. You will not regret adding this drink to your daily diet because it has both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again in my next one. Bye bye.